Hi, my name is Terry Lee, and this is a quick flip through of my newest project, a photograph album. I've never done anything like this before, and so there are a few irregularities, whatever, but look forward to a tutorial on how to make this in the near future. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I want you to do is to try to figure out how many pockets for photos there are on this, and I'm gonna wish you good luck. All right, so this opens, and then this opens, and there's a pocket here and a pocket here, then there's a pocket here. There was gonna be a tuck spot here. In fact, there is, but when I put that on, it blocked it, which is okay. There's plenty more. Then you open it like this. And then you untie these, she says with confidence. You untie these, all right? So there's a pocket here for a photo and a here. I just put in blank white tags for placeholders. Then when you open these, there's a pocket here, and another little tuck spot could be put on each one of these. And there's another pocket here. There's 3 pockets here. When you open it, there's another pocket there for something longer. You could even put note paper in there. There's another pocket here. When you open this, there's a pocket here, which goes all the way down. Then when you open this, there's a pocket here and a pocket there. You open this, there's a pocket here and a pocket there. And then you close these. And then there's a pocket here and a pocket here. And then you flip it over and there's another long pocket here. Oh, there's more. And then there's a pocket here and one here. There's one here. And then you open this. And there's another long one there. You open this and there's a pocket here. When you open it, there's a pocket here. I was going to put one here, but I liked the picture. Has a little break, and then there's a tuck spot here. There's a pocket here and here and here. I know. It kept me busy for a couple of days, that's for sure. Then you close that, then you close that, and then I actually had to put a spine in. This is originally from a tutorial that was online. Bohemian something, and I'll look it up. Anyway, I changed quite a bit of it, but still. And then on the back, there's 2 more pockets. They're a little snug, that way the photo won't come out. So that's the whole thing. That's her, Miss Photograph. And I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I hope you were able to figure out how many pockets were in it. All right, thanks.